So we are going to post on our Instagram story with a poll and just say California or Colorado or something. I don't know. And we'll let you guys decide and we'll go there. We'll straight up look what flights are leaving today and hop on a flight right at the airport and go there. Check this out. The poll numbers are in. Cali, 74%. T-minus 2 minutes until the plane leaves. Oh boy. What's up, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel. So you join us in sunny, beautiful Las Vegas.
We got in last night, last flight out, so we didn't film too much there, but we are here for a entrepreneurial mastermind mansion party event. So many people came out. I can't believe we didn't plan this out more ahead of time. We just booked it like 2 days ago or so.
Yeah.
But we are so happy that we made it. So it was really enjoyable.
Be sure to check out the business channel. We're gonna be posting a video there from the entrepreneurial event. It was amazing. And we're also doing a giveaway on the business channel. Remember guys, we're giving away an iPad, GoPro, JR Garage merch, and cryptocurrency. So go over there, subscribe, and enjoy the channel. But anyway, we're in Las Vegas. We're headed out later today, but we're like, you know what? We need some cool car content. You know, what can we do? And then we're like, let's just hit up our boys over at Royalty Exotic Cars. So we've done some videos with them in the past. They're an amazing group of guys. They run an amazing business here in Vegas. If you need an exotic car, of course, this is the place to go. We hit them up and we're like, yo, we're looking for a Gallardo replacement. What do you have? And can we take something out for a little bit? And they're like, sure, come on by. You know, let's take a look at what we have. So
Absolutely.
Right there, and they got mad cars. Let's walk into the showroom here.
I think they updated the showroom from last time. Oh my goodness.
Check that out. Boom. Here we are, beautiful showroom. Showroom has definitely changed a lot since we were here last. They've just been making some crazy moves out here in Vegas, adding tons of cars to their inventory and fleet. So we've driven the Aventador, we've driven Californias, we've driven 458s, driven old generation R8s, we know the feel of them. GT3 RS, holy moly, look at that. You know, a lot of people haven't been commenting Porsches as much. Why has nobody said GT3 RS for Gallardo replacement? I don't know, this is totally a candidate. Wow, that's crazy. But I see some Huracans out front. Hopefully one of them is available and hopefully we can grab the keys and do some driving because I'm really curious.
Give us a feel for
This is the most logical Gallardo upgrade, a Huracan. So a lot of you guys have been just saying, get a Huracan, get a Huracan, get a Huracan. It's still Lamborghini, it's still drivable, but it's way more reliable. So
Lamborghini Huracan.
Perfect. So many of you guys have been saying, you know, check out the car more, get a Huracan. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop in.
This would make the most sense. So we're excited to give it a try.
All right, guys, here we go in the Huracan. Oh, just feels so new and
that's true. Familiar, but yet totally next level compared to the Gallardo. Oh, I love that. Oh wow.
Yeah, I could get used to it. Guys, of course, you have your opinion on the Lamborghini Huracan. Be sure to comment down below. Is this the Gallardo replacement? So we like the Aventador. It's so cool. The road presence is like no other, but
is it drivable to the extent that we drive these cars and we enjoy them and share them with everybody?
So many of you guys commented, you're like, no, don't get an Aventador, get like a Huracan Performante or just a Huracan. So that's why we're here, trying out the Huracan, seeing how we like it and seeing how it compares to our Gallardo. Of course it's gonna be a step up. Is it worth the extra money? We'll see, but
and we'll make sure to put it in sport.
Oh yeah, what are we doing? I'm not used to this.
All right, here we go.
We'll start in sport. Here we go. Ooh, that sounds good. That sounds good. All right. Ooh, dual clutch. Oh, wow.
Smooth as butter. Oh my goodness. See, not even the Aventador, brand new Aventador, no dual clutch. That's kind of what we're missing with the practical daily driver almost.
So we'll let it warm up and everything. But once again, huge thanks to Royalty Exotic Cars. They're here in Vegas. If you need a car for the day, if you want an unforgettable experience, hit them up. Those are the guys. We've known them for years now, and they hook it up every time. Just, oh my gosh. Their inventory and the cars they have are second to none. You saw it there. He just bought a Bugatti.
Oh my goodness.
While it's warming up for the rest of the day, you guys are probably wondering the plans. So, as you guys know, we like doing spontaneous adventures, kind of like this one. We booked it 2 days ago, but we specifically put about 5 days, like 3, 4, 5 days. We still haven't bought return tickets, but we budgeted a few days after Vegas here to go wherever we want and have a ton of fun. So as you guys know, that one time we said, comment a state and we'll go there. Some person said Wisconsin and we took a jet there to get jelly beans. Okay, as you guys saw, you watched that video.
So we are posting right now on our Instagram story next destination. We're open to tons of ideas. Might do a poll or something, or just get people's feedback, and that's where we're headed.
We're gonna let you guys decide. Yeah, we saw one other video. He took like our challenge and put it to the next level. He let the fans decide everything he did in that like 2-day period, and it was so funny to watch. So we're like, okay, we can do that too. Let's budget a few days and let people decide where we go, when we go, how we get there, what we do while we're there. Yeah. So anyway, in just a moment we're posting, and we're gonna say, yo, comment a state that's somewhere around where we are in Vegas, and we will go there. So stay tuned for that. Follow our social medias to get involved.
I wanna go on an adventure, see places that we might not normally see. Like, you know, you go to LA all the time and you're comfortable with it and familiar with it, but to go somewhere that somebody else suggests and that kind of a local, you know, suggests and gives their input, that's what I'm excited about. Somewhere where we wouldn't maybe normally go. Never been to before.
Ooh, that steering feel.
Oh my goodness.
Jeez, that's nothing. Like,
wow.
That's way more precise than the Gallardo.
That is a lot better than the Gallardo.
I mean, Gallardo's great. This is like next level stuff, man.
And this has the same.
It's just new, modern. Oh, new modern technologies.
That
so seamless.
That feels so
good.
good.
The carbon ceramics. Oh yeah. Those will stop in a hurry.
Oh my God.
Oh, so many choices of replacements. You can get a Huracan, slap on a VF supercharger like Parker did, and have a monster on your hands. Out of automatic, into Corsa. It's getting real now. Oh, wow.
Okay, I was expecting right there, coming from the Aventador, coming from our Gallardo, I was expecting
a huge bang.
A bang. There was nothing. Good punch it.
Oh, fighting for traction. Jeez. Oh, right, because this is the rear-wheel drive variant.
Okay.
So it's like fighting for traction back there. I really don't like how the freaking blinkers are on the steering wheel. It's so goofy.
Geez. But that leaves plenty of room for paddles. Can't mess up hitting those paddles.
Whoa! Crap.
I don't think we've ever had to really fight, you know, for traction and really be that serious about.
I'm so used to our Lamborghini all-wheel drive, hooks up and goes. This is actually, you gotta.
And there's so much more. I like that a lot more. You know, it really gets you into it, gets you involved. Goodness.
Oh, and the pops and crackles.
And yet the traction control will take care of you, so you can kind of have that to rest on. So fortunately.
So we are going to post on our Instagram story with a poll and just say California or Colorado or something. I don't know. And we'll let you guys decide, and we'll go there. We'll straight up look what flights are leaving today and hop on a flight right at the airport and go there. So guys, we're leaving Vegas right now. We want you guys to vote. Where to next? Colorado or California, or tell us something in this area and we will go there, okay?
Haven't booked our flight yet, but there's a couple flights leaving very soon, so we want to catch one of those.
You guys are in control. Tell us where to go. Well guys, that concludes our drive. I hope you enjoyed that quick little snippet. I know we were in a rush, but that's because we got to know ASAP on this poll because we have to leave.
Yes, we need to know because we need to book a flight. There's a couple flights out today, so we're excited to take one of them.
Guys, we really enjoyed driving the Huracan, but we want to hear what you guys have to say, so be sure to comment down below. What do you think of the Huracan? Is it the Gallardo placement? I really like it. Okay, here we go. Poll is in. Check this out. The poll numbers are in. Cali, 74%. So Christian just quickly looked up flights to Cali, and there's actually one leaving out of Vegas in like an hour.
Very soon.
And it's on Allegiant, and it's going to Lake Tahoe, so that sounds amazing. And yeah, there we go. So we're hopping in the Uber now, and we are racing off to the airport. We just booked the tickets, and yeah, we're gonna be late. I hope we don't miss this flight. This is gonna be crazy. Spontaneous trip. Hello.
Hey. Okay, gotta go to the airport ASAP.
So guys, a little vlog update. The flight we just booked, it leaves at 3:03 and doors close at, I think, 15 minutes before that. So in like 12 minutes, the doors close, and we're still in the Uber.
Thank goodness.
But thank you for picking us up and hooking it up. He's, yeah, we got a GTI lift car, and we're trying our best to make it.
How important you guys are. 20 seconds could be what makes or breaks it.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much. You're gonna have to watch the video to know if we made it or not, but we'll hope for the best.
All right.
All right.
Thank you so much.
See ya later. Go, go, go. Run, run, run. 10 minutes before our flight leaves. T-minus 2 minutes until the plane leaves. Oh boy.
Attention in the terminal if you're traveling with Allegiant on flight 430 with services to Reno. If you aren't in the boarding area, please make the boarding area.
That's the final call.
The jet.
As long as all of the masks are still set to airplane mode, that's it.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, guys, just got off the plane. What a crazy past 2 hours it's been.
Finally, time to slow things down and get you guys up to speed with what just happened over the past 2 hours.
Yeah, so we posted the poll, California or Colorado, because they're both relatively close. We figured we could get a flight, and we let you guys decide. Obviously, California was the winner, so Christian started looking through some of the DMs, seeing if somebody said a city, and what did people say?
Lake Tahoe, California, and we're like,
or at least Northern California, because everyone was like, okay, you've been to LA, like great, great, great. Same for us. We're like, so Southern California's cool, but we've been there a lot, so let's go to Northern California. Never been there.
We were looking into it more, and this will be fantastic because we've never been here before, and a flight came up.
Yeah,
it was
get this.
affordable, so last minute.
But I looked, and literally when I'm looking, there's a flight
He's like,
leaving in 1 hour.
He's like, Christian, you gotta look at this flight. Look how cheap this is. This is the flight.
So right when we were finishing our Huracan drive, I'm like, yo, we gotta drop the car off now and leave for the flight. It was in 1 hour, and it was like $60 on Alicia, and I'm like, that's a score, let's go.
And that lift came so clutch with the GTI.
Oh my God, we were racing there.
He was fantastic. Shout out to our driver.
Yeah, if you're watching, shout out to you.
He was fine. He made that flight happen.
He's like, bros, I don't think you guys are gonna make it, but I'll do everything. I'll do everything I can to try. So he's like booking it through the lane. So we made it just barely, like I said, with 1 minute spare. So
GTIs can be quick.
Yeah, that was a fun car. So we gave Lamborghini back. We'll be back, royalty. We want to drive some more cars and have some more fun. But what a great experience in Las Vegas. So like we said, be sure to check out the business channel. We filmed an entrepreneurship video with all the bros, Casey, Kieran, Brian, everyone coming out. It was an amazing morning. So check out JR Business and get in on the giveaway. But anyway, we're here now. We're gonna slow things down a bit. We're gonna enjoy some nice Reno scenery and Lake Tahoe and just have a great time.
Can't wait to continue this spontaneous trip and looking forward to letting you guys offer as many more suggestions as you can.
We'll keep posting Instagram polls and seeing what we do for the rest of the day and into tomorrow. So we'll keep the vlog running. And without further ado, let's hop in a rental car and get exploring Lake Tahoe for the first time. It's gonna be fun. Here we go. All right, guys, just made it in the rental car. Cool little Chrysler 300, so that'll do the trick. But here we are. Welcome to Reno, Nevada. We're actually headed to Sparks, Nevada. For anyone who knows Tesla, you would know that the Gigafactory is located just 10 miles up the road, so we're really excited to see that. So we're trying to figure out what this is. I'm zooming in right now. You see those flashing red lights? We don't know if it's a bunch of fire trucks all lined up, a fire, or just a casino with clever marketing trying to get you in and catch your attention from 5 miles off the highway. All right, guys, we're approaching the Gigafactory. You can see it there in the distance. This thing is ginormous.
You just come in, you want to come by, take pictures. Yeah. I wish I could, I pay grade to authorize that.
There's no tours or anything that ever happened during ours?
Well, to do tours, you'd have to go on and
All right, so that's as close as we're gonna get to the Gigafactory. All right, I'll miss you, Gigafactory.
Yeah, that was a credential checkpoint.
All right, it's made it to downtown Reno for dinner. Check that out. There's their famous sign, the biggest little city in the world. Interesting. You learn something new every day.
Day 2.
Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day and we are approaching Lake Tahoe. We were doing some house browsing, house shopping up here and
yeah, couple stops we wanted to make along the way before we go over the mountains, because then it's no going back.
It's snowing out there. So snow's starting to come down and it's very pretty around here, but we haven't even gotten to the lake yet, so we'll be head there shortly.
We're not sure what's in store for us over on the other side of the mountains though, because this car, rear wheel drive, Not too sure about how the how it's gonna fare.
Yeah, this will be.
One frozen wasteland later.
Okay guys, we finally made it back to the hotel. That was probably the most stressful like 1 hour sequence of our lives.
I'm just trying to de-stress reading a beautiful magazine of vacationing in Lake Tahoe because that was not our best idea, but I'm so glad that we made it. The vlog must go on.
Oh my god. So let's explain what happened. So of course, when we started the day in Reno and everything, it was like flurrying, no big deal. We're like, oh bet, you know, we'll just make it over to Lake Tahoe, it'll be no problem. And then later in the day, we're out like getting some food, and then this dude's like, we mentioned how we're going to Tahoe, and he's like, you have a 4-wheel drive with chains? And we're like, no. He's like, then you're not going anywhere.
He's like, don't go to Tahoe.
And we're like, okay. And then we asked another guy, another local, and we're like, you know, hey, can we get over the mountain? He's like, no, you're not going anywhere
I was
tonight.
just watching the weather, or I just dialed 511 for traffic updates and road closures.
So everyone's like, no, you can't go. And we're like, the little savages we are, we went to the road that went over the pass. We're like, it doesn't look that bad. Of course, all the warning lights are flashing,
Yeah,
chain up,
there's
4-wheel
signs.
drive. And we're basically just like, I don't know, what was going through our head? I don't know why we did that.
I
It's
just
kinda dumb.
really like, I was so excited for Lake Tahoe. I had to be here. I'm not coming all the way here, taking your guys' fantastic suggestions of going to Tahoe, of how nice it is, and not going to Tahoe. So
yeah, so anyway, that's what happened. We went and it just got worse and worse and worse and worse and worse, and it was like it was never ending. All the cars passing us were covered in snow, like
yeah, coming back the other way,
caked
so
with snow and salt. So we
not
were
the best
freaking
time.
out. Yeah, that was the most stressful like hour. That was terrible. But we made it here. 4-star hotel for like 40 bucks. Again, if you guys want a travel hacking video, comment down below. We will make that. We flew here for $40 directly into Vegas, and then we flew up to Tahoe area for 50 or 60 bucks, and now we're staying in 4-star hotels for like 40 bucks a night. Last night was $23 for a 4-star hotel. Crazy. So if you want that video, I can make it. That's gonna do it for this video. Right now I'm gonna throw in a couple clips of our view in Tahoe, so at least you can see the lake in this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. But anyway, we're gonna end this vlog here. If you guys want to get involved in the next subscribers determine where we go and what we do, follow us on Instagram and our social medias down here, and you can participate in the next one. Where are we going to next? I guess it's up to them.
yeah, it's been fun. We're just gonna post a poll. We're gonna post another poll, a couple different destinations.
And we have a rental car with limited mileage, so we'll go anywhere within driving distance, or we'll fly to the next location. I don't care what.
Make it happen.
I've never been to San Francisco or anything like
So
that.
far, so good. It's working out pretty well. It's allowed us to see a fantastic place like Lake Tahoe.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed where it started with our buddies at Royalty giving us the Huracan. We're excited to see what you guys think in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you are new, you don't want to miss these travel videos, and like the video if you enjoyed it. And we will see you in the next one.